how to delete all your videos at once on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do now is go here and click on YouTube Studio to go to the YouTube Studio. Now click here on content. Here on this page you will find all your videos. Click here on this checkbox, the first one, and all your videos gonna be selected. Now all what you have to do is go here and click on this one, more actions, and click on delete forever. As you can see, it's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.